What's going on Facebook, YouTube? This is Mike here at Trushine Cleaning. Getting ready to detail this car. This car was, I believe she said it was purchased from an auction and she's selling it. And so she has a buyer for it already. I believe somebody already paid for it or whatever, but she's in this is the last needing done. And that's to, get everything clean. So this is her stuff. So I haven't done anything to this car except pull the floor mats out. So, and with it coming from the auction, she's not really sure what these stains and stuff is. So I'm going to do my best on it and see what all comes out. So got all my equipment set all up. I may use this, I may not. I really want to use this tool right here for the seats, but it doesn't work the best on carpet because of the way it's made, but it works great on the seat. So for me to use both of them, I have to hook up one with the hose, and then if I'm not going to use it, I have to switch it back over, which is not a problem, but in doing this work, I'm trying to stay, consistent as possible and not slowing down. So I'm gonna have to hook everything up to the two hoses and everything. So I'm about to get ready to start pre-vacuuming now, and we're gonna see how good this comes out. I will be shampooing these carpets. So I'm trying to get up as much loose debris as possible, but if I'm going to use my standard upholstery tool, I don't have to remove every piece at the moment because it will be able to be extracted. Alright guys, so here's some of the basic tools that I use when I'm cleaning seats and carpet. One other thing I need. So I decided to use this tool right here to do the carpet and the seats. So I've already pre-sprayed the carpet. I haven't done the seats yet. camera and sit still for a second. Okay. I use two different attachments. See that brush? This brush. This one is to get into crevices where the flat brush can't get into. Then I'll just swap this head off. You usually don't really need this aggressive brush if the carpet is not too bad. This brush is pretty hard. I have a yellow brush, but you don't have to press down on it too hard. Just let the brush work. Take my vacuum hose in here. One thing I do like about using this one is to get into certain areas that you can't get that attachment into. Just use the vacuum. While I'm already down here working, and use the towel to clean off of the, the seat tracks where, you're gonna splash some water on it. Sometimes it does get a lot of debris on these metal tracks. Take the whole time. Sometimes it's needed. Put this attachment on it. Remove debris going to certain cracks and crevices that you can't get into. Pretty much it. Alright, you guys, show you guys a quick little walkthrough of the interior. So I'm done with everything in the inside. It's actually almost dry. So, see everything. I'm gonna have to come back and do a little wipe down of some stuff. That's where I was cleaning the seats and water splashed up, but for the most part, everything's pretty clean. Gotta blow all this debris out. I'm just now seeing this. I didn't see it at first, but I'm gonna blow that out. I'm about to get ready to wash the car now. Got all the little mats and everything sitting out. Clean this mat. So I'm about to get ready to put all this equipment up, except that bucket. And I'm gonna hook up my pressure washer. So I got this machine hooked up to do the seats and the carpet. This same machine I use to do carpet in homes and upholstery in homes as well. Got my electric 1600 PSI pressure washer already hooked up. Just got to pull all the hoses off. So I'm about to get ready to unhook this, sit this machine back to where I usually leave it at, clean up everything, and hook up the pressure washer. Show you guys that process. Thanks for watching. Alright, you guys, I done blew everything out the trunk already. And I'm gonna get ready to wash this up. Show you guys how this trunk came out. So you can see all that debris that was up there. I done blew all of that debris out. So get ready to start washing this car. Alright, you guys. Show you guys the finished results when I'm done. Thanks for watching. Alright, you guys. So, showing you guys the finished results of this car. You'll see everything came out great. To leave customer with one of my business cards. Showing you guys. So, this floor mats shows the same thing. And these are like burn holes, so can't do too much about that. I gotta put the mat back in the trunk. So trunk all cleaned out. So have to put this mat back in there. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. Okay. There we go. The mat back in there. And that's a wrap.